Alright. Did you know, JB, this is actually Gia's first Matsuri?
Yeah, I knew that.
I did.
The other day. He says he does little days off season days.
Little days. Because I'm short.
Yeah.
Therefore the days are little.
Yeah.
Everyone does a little day around here.
What do you think of it, Gia? What do you think of it?
I was really nervous watching, but as soon as I went in the car,
It's a good system. Most people follow the system down the bottom of the hill. You sort of just wait, you give gaps. It's like a little start line, unofficial start line. So once you're in the flow, it's even the same in this year yesterday when we were doing G1 GP or the other day. It looks chaotic, but everyone sort of figures it out.
it's like actual controlled chaos. It's super chaotic, but everyone's like doing the right thing.
It looks wild from the outside.
And this is the first silence we've had in like 8 hours, and God.
It's good to be up here, but this particular spot is really noisy because right behind us is like the end of the first turn where everyone gets on full noise. And it's just there's no never-ending cars, and it's just like can't talk. It's good though. It's great. Little things.
It's great.
We're at Matsuri and we're watching
a good time. Lovely people over there made the sandwiches.
Yeah,
it's like
A little cookie set up over there. Ooh. Hello.
coffee. Just toasted ham and cheese.
what can I ask for? Like, this is like the Matsuri I've had in mind.
I was saying to Brendan before, it reminds me of Friday Night Drifts because, Jason and I came here in 2016 and we took what we saw here, we tried to do it at home. Obviously the rules are different in Australia. Can't just be as sort of loosey-goosey as this is. However, it's essentially the same thing. Before there was music on, there's food, there's heaps of people, open pits, it's constant driving, you go out when you want, you come in when you want. It's actually like it's the OG version of what we tried to do at Friday Night Drifts. There's obviously way more people at Friday Night Drifts just in the area, 3,000 people, but
I think
essentially the same thing.
The only difference I see is everyone has kind of their own little campy vibe going on as well. But other than that,
for a long time.
Yeah.
It's like a more raw version.
Yeah, and it's like a bit more chill in terms of what's the people. It's not a rush to drive. It's just whatever. But it's what we tried to emulate from what you see here. Take that back to Australia, and I think it's as close as it can be in Australia.
100% with all the rules we have.
Yeah.
There's people out on track over there before. Just stand over there. They learn real quick that that's not a good spot to be standing.
Either that or they got wolfed into the bushes. One of the two. I wasn't watching.
No comment.
They're not there now anyway. So whatever. But yeah, it's big.
Can't complain. This is amazing.
Go for our walkers. We're doing a
Vlog us.
The next day.
Lickers! Lick. What doing? Garrus. Why did I pay for a pit at the very top? Me and JB rolled up. No. He's not gonna make it!
Oh, I don't know if they're just kissing now.
We made it! You want to see it? Arigato gozaimasu. Oh, there they are. Manjus. Currently 750 cars this weekend. We got Manju, gotta fix my shack camper. So me and Manju gonna do that now, and then hopefully Manju do some driving later. It's hectic and noisy as Falcon in our pits. Back at it again. We got it. Yeah,
On the tools again.
The mechanic. Hey, we're back, Branson, the fucking wazard. Can't believe it.
better, way less.
And Mungie on the edits last night, we're fucking on, go check it out. And then get your t-shirt, you trade your on, you don't know. True, we're here at Ebisu and we've got a very special pre-order limited edition Ebisu Circuit Keep It Reet Fleet of Japan t-shirts.
You can pre-order these right now at keepereat.com/Ebisu. So don't miss out. Get on it because you want to be wearing this fresh merch.
Get on it.
Like the boys. Is that it?
The boy! What happened, Jai? What happened?
I run into him.
What happened?
So basically, we had a like 4-car train going, and we're getting pretty close, and then I felt myself gripping up, so I clutch kicked it, and I was too low in the rev range, and it just sent me.
Oof! Factory guard! Rough, dear. Okay, bro. Ray! On the tools again. On the tools again. I'm so sorry.
probably the opener. It's probably the opener.
Yeah, that.
It's actually softball.
Get it, boy. Give the fastball away. Well, whoop your ass. I need help. You're slow, boy. Slow. Swing and miss. Hey! Coming in the head. Yeah, it's off. It's off.
The next day.
Carrots. Hey, carrot. It's on. Carrot. Late for flight again.
Dang. Blew out so bad the wheels stopped moving.
Oh, good blowout. Good. They could still drive on that. Hey. Go slow once we're up. 20 minutes. 20 minutes on the rimmers. I don't know what's up. It's making weird ass noises.
Dang. Tell them not to get a tire, it's completely cracked.
Legends. That's this guy. Clearly, like, knows his car, so he's getting the tires done, sorting us out for the Acton rim. The old rim's cooked, so we're just going 16. It fits on there. It's an instant stud pattern, and get that says shat tire, close enough size, and send it. Okay, getting us a cheaper start. Anyway. Not bad, not bad.
So we're fitting a new rim and a new tyre on our rental car to hopefully make it to the airport. Don't know what they're going to say about that, but I got full pump insurance.
With the oldest I think he's he's disposing of it. Alright.
Said that, but Josh thinks we should
Okay,
keep it
okay.
forward.
Damn, fucking made it. It is 30 minutes, 1 hour to spare. What is? Let's get it. Solo flight.